Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your Ticketswap password. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Ticketswap? It's pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com, and once you're done with that, it's going to take you right into the official website for Ticketswap. In the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change Ticketswap password. Now, there's no direct command in Ticketswap that allows you to change your password. That's because when you were signing in to Ticketswap, you were asked to either sign in using your Google account, Facebook account, your Apple account, or your email account. So if you use your email, or you use Google, or you used Facebook, or you used your Apple ID, then there would have been no need for you to create a password that you can change or that you can reset. But if you think that you really need to add a password to your account and you want to change what's been there, or just want to add a password to your account, here is what you can do. You have to reach out to the Ticketswap help desk. Now, from this home screen, head over to this help icon. That's the question mark, and over here, scroll all the way down till you find get in touch. Now go ahead and click on get in touch. Now, because this is not urgent, then there'll be no need for you to call them. But you can just click on send a message and send them a message and let them know that you want to add the password to your account, and you're definitely going to let you in on what you can do. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.